August 7th, 1990. President Bush, responding to the Iraqi invasion of Kuwait, orders American forces to deploy to Saudi Arabia.
My fellow citizens, at this hour, American and coalition forces are in the early stages of military operations to disarm Iraq, to free its people, and to defend the world from grave danger.
These right here?
Yeah.
I'm not even sure they're here, okay? I think they're probably gone.
Se llama de apellido Vitorino, y en la jura de bandera del muchacho